How to use text to speech in CapCut. First of all, I will CapCut, and after that I will add a new project. For example, I will add this video and tap on add button, and after that what you need to do is to tap on the text option on the left down corner, and you need to add text. Tap on add text, and I will add text really quick. And after that tap on next, and tap on the text from the timeline and make it smaller from here, and move it to any place you want. I will move it here, and after that tap on the split icon if you want to split, and tap on the style icon from here on option. Tap on the style option, and after that you need to change the style of the text. I will change it like this, and you can change a lot of things, effects or animation. I will choose only this and tap on next. And after that, if you want to use text to speech, what you need to do is to tap on text to speech from here, and before you use it, what you need to do is to tap on the text button, and after that tap on the text from the timeline and tap on text to speech, and from here you can choose any voice you want. I will choose this one.
I will show you how to tutorial.
As you see, this is how you can use it. You can use female, enemy, or English as well, and tap on next, and he's generating the speech, and let's hear it together.
I will show you how to
Play.
tutorial.
And this is how we do it. Now you can do for 3 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever you would like, and pretty much that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.